Number 1. Zedro Notorious. The Zedro Notorious is a car with serious attitude. From its vortex headlights to painted brake calipers and a plush Italian leather interior, this machine turns heads wherever it goes. Despite its supercar looks, it starts at just $144,000. How? It's a kit car based on the Infiniti G37, giving you the glamour of a high-end exotic without the eye-watering price tag. If you're after a ride that screams success without breaking the bank, this could be your dream car. Number 2. Gagliardi Vex. The Gagliardi Vex offers the perfect fusion of German precision and Italian flair. Built on a Porsche Boxster chassis, this car is transformed into a sleek, exotic beauty that looks like it belongs in a billionaire's garage. For just $45,000 plus the donor car, you get a ride that oozes exclusivity. With design cues borrowed from Lamborghini and Ferrari, the Vex is a head-turner that stands out in any crowd. Number 3. Valarra Vette. The Valarra Vette is all about American muscle with Hollywood flair. With an aggressive front fascia and a rear end that could star in an action movie, this car makes a bold statement. Based on the iconic C6 Corvette, it's designed by the same genius behind the Vader kit car from Suicide Squad. Here's the best part. It's priced at under $50,000, giving you supercar looks at a fraction of the cost. Number 4. Factor Aurelio. The Factor. Aurelio is a handcrafted gem from the Philippines that combines affordability with ingenuity. Powered by a Honda engine, this sleek car is priced at just $33,000. With only 10 to 20 units made annually, driving one feels like owning a rare piece of art. If exclusivity is your thing, the Factor Aurelio delivers on all fronts. 5th DDR Grann GT8. Inspired by McLaren's iconic designs, the DDR Grann GT8 is a mid-engine marvel. Built on a custom space frame and powered by a V8 engine, this car looks and feels like a supercar. The price? Just under $50,000. Whether on the track or city streets, the Grann GT8 offers adrenaline-pumping performance without the supercar price tag. Bonus pick, Triumph Street RRR. For those who prefer two wheels, the Triumph Street RRR is an incredible choice. With sleek British styling and thrilling performance, this motorcycle is a steal at just $6,000. It's guaranteed to turn heads and spark conversations at every stoplight, proving you don't need four wheels to make a statement. Which one of these rides or bikes caught your attention? Let me know your favorite in the comments, and keep an eye out for more incredible vehicles that deliver luxury without the price tag.